Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to introduce you to your new favorite medium weight foundation.
This Tarte Hydroflex Serum Foundation is the best medium coverage, but a feather light formula that just looks and feels so natural, just like my skin. I absolutely love that it lets my skin shine through, but it covers my flaws. It's so nice to use with my Tarte foundation brush. I just need about the size of a dime to blend in. And I love how it just easily blends into my skin because it is water-based, so it's good and hydrating, and it just gives a very long natural coverage. It is waterproof, sweat-proof, and it will last all day.
I love how comfortable it does feel on my skin. It's not cakey, and it just feels and looks very natural, and that's something that's very important to me. I don't want to look like I have a ton of makeup on, especially on those hot summer days when I'm just trying to look a little more effortless. I know that I love it. I know you're gonna love it. That is my point of view.